Y'all, casseroles. Southerners love casseroles, don't we? Casserole dishes. And the thing I like about this particular casserole, well, I've made this one for years, and it's always been a big hit. It's a hot chicken salad casserole. And the thing about this, y'all, is you could actually bake this. It would fit in my air fryer, in my large air fryer, which would cut down the heat in my kitchen, which I'm all for when I can do that. So it's so easy to put together. And I recommend, you know, just picking up a roaster from your grocery store and use that chicken. Of course, the chicken's always better if you boil it yourself. But the easy way is to pick up a roaster that's already been roasted. So this is so easy. I'm gonna start with a cup of mayonnaise. 1 cup of mayonnaise. And looks like about a cup of celery. I love slivered almonds. For some reason, the sliver cut makes it so much better. Have y'all found that?
It tastes better.
It does.
And I'm not sure
It
why.
doesn't taste like the same kind of nut. And how much lemon juice is that, Teresa?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, okay. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a cup of grated cheese. So that's all the kind of wet things. And we're just gonna stir that up. And then we're gonna add our chicken. Did that not call for any salt or pepper?
It does. I just put it
Okay,
out.
well, I'll just come over here and do a little salt, a little pepper, and just mix that up. And then toss in our 2 cups of chicken. And Teresa said, that's not store-bought chicken. She said, I boil that off.
I just want you to know.
So, I mean, to me.
Call me out.
To me, it is. I just like boiling it myself. The whole chicken, where you get the dark meat and the white, and it's just so good. Okay, so there we go, y'all. We're just gonna take our casserole dish and spray it. And then we're just gonna pour this into our dish. And it really depends on your cooking time. It depends on if your chicken is real hot, you know, if the ingredients are starting off kind of hot, then it won't take this long to bake. But it says like 350 for 15 minutes. So that's not bad. And here is the ingredient that makes this a daggum good, y'all. And that's crushed potato chips. So here we go. They're gonna be so crunchy and so good. And you know, I think I might like some more potato chips. Don't you think, Teresa?
I figured you
Just a
would say
few.
that.
Just
I don't know why I don't just double stuff like that.
Yes. That potato chip is gonna take it to another level, y'all. So 15 minutes, just long enough for it to get hot and the cheese to melt. No butt shots, Eddie. Yes, darling. Hey. All right, 15 minutes until hot and bubbly. This was so quick and easy, y'all. And those potato chips, they just make it. They got so crunchy. And I'm gonna slip out a taste. Like I said, this has always been a favorite of my family's. What is it?
Henry went crazy about pickled shrimp.
Who?
Henry.
Michael. Come taste this hot chicken salad.
Good, I'm hungry.
Well, good. It's all yours.
Did you eat the good part?
Well, it's all good. It's hot though. It's hot. Isn't that delicious? Would you like some more?
Did you pick the celery out?
No, but I think you did.
Mm-mm.
I don't know what it's got laying over like that.
Yeah, take another scoop.
Okay. Yes, I love this particular casserole. You know, I'm not really a casserole person, but some casseroles I really love. Ooh, I've got a corn casserole that is so good it'll knock you into next week. And you know which one I'm talking about, don't you?
No, it's been so long I forgot.
Okay. We
What do
used
you
to
call
serve.
it? Cream corn?
No, this is cream corn. I'm fixing to cook some cream corn. No, this is with the Jiffy mix.
Oh, yeah, I
you
know
know,
what
and
you're
the
talking
We've done that as a video,
yes, we've done it because
so they should go look it up. 'Cause
Yes.
it would be awesome.
that corn casserole is so good. And I love squash casserole and broccoli casserole.
Mm-hmm.
I love vegetable casseroles. But this is delicious. And do you know what's on top of that, Michael?
Potato chips.
Yes.
Can't trick me.
I thought I could trick you. So it's just that easy, y'all. Hot chicken salad casserole. It's a man pleaser too, not just a kid pleaser. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.